in Sri Lanka also now we are going to organize with of course the cooperation of all our ministries and departments and also the cooperation of the Sri Lankan government and Sri Lankan authorities. The first in the first in the series of repatriation of Indian nationals, a flight of little more than 160 passengers. We are working on 29th May. This flight will carry passengers from Colombo to Mumbai, and this will be the first air bridge that we will establish for repatriation of stranded Indian nationals from Colombo. At the same time, we are also looking at the sea bridge, which is Samudra Setu, as you know, within Vande Bharat Mission. The Indian Navy has been pitching in with naval vessels which have brought Indians back from, for example, from other neighboring countries. So on the 1st of June, we are scheduling the return of about up to 700 Indians in that ship INS Jalashwa from Colombo to Tuticorin in India.